How to buy things on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Temu either on your mobile device or your laptop or PC, and after that you need to sign up for an account. After signing into your account, you can browse for different products on Temu. Simply select any particular product that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase this particular product, so I will just simply see this particular option, which is to add it to a cart. This way I will be able to add different products on Temu to my cart. Then I can go for the purchase. Let's select this product for now. Then click on this option of add to cart. Now it will ask you whether you want to keep shopping or you want to go to the cart. Simply click on go to cart. And here you can see the option of checkout. But make sure that you have added a payment method on your account and also given your details like your address. Otherwise, the product won't be delivered quite easily and you won't be able to place the order in the first place. So click on checkout, and now it will ask you for some details about you, and just provide these details, and this way you would be able to purchase anything from Temu quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.